How do I apply coconut oil on my face at night for the best results?
In this video, we will guide you on how to apply coconut oil on your face at night to get the best results. Coconut oil is known for its natural moisturizing, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a perfect choice for a nighttime skincare routine.
What do I need?
Before we begin, make sure you have the following items: virgin coconut oil, preferably organic, a clean, dry towel, a small bowl, a spoon, clean hands.
How do I prepare my face?
1. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt, oil, or makeup. 2. Pat your face dry using a clean, dry towel. Do not rub your face, as this can cause irritation. 3. Wait for your face to air dry completely before applying coconut oil. This ensures that the oil absorbs better into your skin.
How much coconut oil should I use?
1. Scoop a small amount of coconut oil into a bowl using a spoon. You only need a pea-sized amount or less, as a little goes a long way. 2. If the coconut oil is solid, warm it up by rubbing it between your hands until it becomes a liquid consistency.
How do I apply the coconut oil?
1. Dip your fingers into the melted coconut oil and gently massage it onto your face in a circular motion, avoiding the eye area. 2. Focus on areas prone to dryness such as the cheeks, forehead, and around the nose. 3. Massage the oil into your skin for a minute or two, allowing it to absorb properly.
What do I do after applying the coconut oil?
1. Allow the coconut oil to soak in for a few minutes before going to bed. 2. Sleep on a clean pillowcase to prevent transferring the oil to your pillow and causing breakouts. 3. In the morning, wash your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any residual oil. Following these steps will help you apply coconut oil on your face at night effectively, leaving your skin moisturized, nourished, and glowing. Remember to patch test the coconut oil on a small area of your skin before applying it to your face to ensure you do not have an adverse reaction.